Today we are learning how to write a paragraph expressing opinions. It is a shorter version of an argumentative essay. Tips. Before you start writing a paragraph expressing an opinion, read the writing task carefully and underline the keywords. Think about the topics and all the advantages, disadvantages, arguments for or against. Arguments for, it means those supporting arguments that is supporting your position or your statement, your stand. Arguments against, which means those viewpoints or arguments that is refuting your positions or your stand. You need to think about both sides. When you are able to address those viewpoints or arguments that is refuting your positions, you will be able to write convincingly. In your essay, we need to write the arguments that is for that support your position or statement, but do not forget that there are people who will be refuting your position or your viewpoint. You can pull that in by refuting their positions, and your argumentative essay will sound more objectively. Choose 2 or 3 of them that you think are the most important supporting documents or arguments, and you have ideas to write about. When writing, state your opinion in the first sentence, that is your topic sentence. Develop the paragraph by clearly stating your supporting arguments. You provide any explanations or justifications. If possible, you give examples. And you make a conclusion, that is to end the paragraph by rephrasing your opinion or make a general comment. To help us remember how to develop a paragraph, we use IEES methods. It's an acronym in developing the paragraph. I stand for introduction. You state your opinion in the first sentence. E, explain each of your supporting arguments clearly. In this exercise, we are only explaining or expounding your viewpoint in a brief way. Another E, give example for each supporting argument. S, you summarize your whole supporting arguments. For a longer argumentative essay, for each paragraph, it consists of IEES for each argumentative point. In this exercise, we put in all the argumentative points into one paragraph in a shorter and brief version. How do you develop the paragraph? We need to use linking words, phrases to list points, add points, express contrast, give examples, and give your opinion. Do not use it unnecessarily. Use it appropriately. Linking words are those subordinating conjunctions such as firstly, besides, for instance, furthermore, in other words, however, apart from that, also, personally, I believe, I opine that. Turn to Full Blast, page 57. B. Imagine that the head teacher of your school has announced that computer classes are now compulsory for all students in primary and secondary schools. Do you think that is a good idea? Make a list of advantages and disadvantages in the table below. Do you think there are more advantages than disadvantages? Start jotting down the pointers for advantages and disadvantages in the table given below. You may now start your practice.